What's up, you guys? We technically have a fractional part integral. So this is technically equal to 0 from 0 to 256 fractional parts squared dx. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, before we just take the sum of this and then compute whatever. Here, we're not going to do that. Okay, we're going to take advantage of something. We're going to utilize the periodic rule. Okay, now, what do I mean by the periodic rule? Okay, so whenever you have something, a function, okay, whenever you have a function that is periodic at t, I'm going to call this t times alpha. Okay. If your function is periodic at t, then this is going to equal to alpha from 0 to t. Okay? So if your function is periodic at t, you can split it like this. Okay? So one of the most common periodic functions are sines and cosines. Yes, you can do it like this. Okay, it's just we don't really use it on sines and cosines because most of the time it just equals to 0. So we just utilize periodicity in that point. This fractional part, this is periodic as well. For those who don't know, if you've seen the graph of this, right, it looks like this. You can tell that this is periodic, right? It is periodic at 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take advantage of this periodic rule. So whenever you see an integral where the entire function is in terms of fractional parts, you could literally go like this. Well, this is periodic by 1, so 256 is now here from 0 to 1 because it's periodic at 1. And now this is just simply x squared dx. Wait, hold on a second. Why is it x squared dx? Because what is the floor function between 0 and 1? 0. It's just 0. So that is why we can just go like this. That's what I like about these integrals, is that it's actually very simple. Every fractional part could just turn into this using the periodic rule. Okay, so thanks to the periodic property, our answer is simply 256 divided by 3. Okay, so again, right, if a function is periodic at t and you're integrating a periodic function from 0 to t times alpha, whatever this coefficient number is, then this is equal to alpha from 0 to t of f of x, the periodic function. Okay, this is the periodic rule. Alright, hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.